Hi everybody, hello and welcome to our flip through of the Kraft ring-bound journal. I think that's what I called it. Anyway, you'll recognise it, I'm sure, when you see it. So it's got this tie wrap on it, which is chiffon, and it's gorgeous. And this is on the front, and the tie wrap goes behind it, but not on the back. So it's loose there, but it comes around and ties at the front. The back is plain. Well, I say plain, I mean, look at that. How plain do you want? That's just gorgeous Timmy paper. The whole thing was Kraft covered, and then but a lot of people followed on, covered the whole thing with this patchwork of Timmy paper, and it's just beautiful. And this is similar to one of the collages, the way that I've collaged in the book, except this is the front cover, and it's just glorious. I love it. I absolutely love it. So that opens up, and we've got this inner front cover, more patchwork, and then I've put the linen washi tape down the spines, both back and front, just in case it ever thought of cracking. So can't bear that. So into the collages themselves. This is the yellow page, and we've got a little clip up there and some journaling cards there, and they're all stuck together, so you don't have to worry about it. There's journaling on the back, and they just slide down into there and get clipped at the top, which I never find very easy because these things are tiny. Ooh, look at that, straight on. But the collage itself, it's this glorious birdie, really is very pretty. I think it's a Kathy Holden one actually. Then a stamp, the pocket's got brads on it to look like studs, and it's a simple enough collage, but it looks very effective with all these journaling cards behind it. So that's the yellow page. Then we've got the green page here, and it's got big journaling cards in the back as well. Well, a big journaling card, all backed and ready to rock. And it's got two torn pockets, and the journaling card obviously goes in the big one, and this collage goes into the next one down. So it's the green lady from Which Craft Do You Do, and then it's just simply a collage of all sorts of things, all Timmy, I believe, including the flowers there. And then when you slide her into her space like that, these flowers on the bottom come and wrap round her face that way, and I love that. I just really love it. And a little word along the bottom that says memories. It's very pretty. Then this one, we've got this kind of belly band. Well, it's not kind of, it is a belly band. And it does open up if you want it to. It says In My Heart at the bottom, which I've coloured with alcohol ink. And then behind that, we've got this coin envelope and these two sitting at the top. I don't know whether they look a bit frightened actually to be at the top of that. I've cut a hole out and trimmed around the bits that were sticking into the hole and put this photograph behind, and I've also aged that with alcohol ink. And then this slides out, so you've got this journaling card, and that's not glued down, it's only glued down at the top, so you can pop it back into there and it just sits there nicely. And then the whole thing slides into there, and that In My Heart works as a stop, so it won't go any further. So that's that page. Then we've got the blue page. That is so pretty. We've got a big journaling card here. Really nice one. I think this is from 49 and Market actually, that butterfly image. And the pocket is a torn pocket. It goes all the way down. And it's just a collage really of, that's 49 Market, there 49 and Market, as is the frame actually. And bits and pieces that I've collaged with. This one, the pink page. The journaling card is big. It's one piece of ephemera stuck onto some of the Backdrops number 5 paper, and I've left that because you can journal on that perfectly easily. So that just slides into there. Like, well, bring it up a bit, shall we, so you can see those roses. There we go. Then it's got this beautiful floral on it, and just other pieces of ephemera. It's lovely. Then the purple page. Oh, happy day, yeah. It says, hello, friend. I've put lots of rub-ons on it. This is the journaling card. Look at that. It's just a stunner. And this is the paper, the purple paper from the Backdrops. Beautiful. So, and we've also got that journaling card. So that just slides into there. And then this slides into there as well, just to add a bit of interest. And some Timmy Peeps and some all sorts of things, just collaged on there. And then we've got another yellow page, and that's the journaling card. Fabulous, 49 in market. And that goes in there. And then we've just got various bits collaged onto it. It's just, I love that frame. I'm really going through a frame phase at the moment, which is better than brain phase, I suppose. So that's the yellow page, and then over we go, and we've got this blue page. Big journaling card there. Lovely. Got one of these acetate frames from 49 in market, which just picks that up beautifully. So that goes in behind the belly band there. And then just other pieces that I've collaged on. Really nice. This one, green page. That's the journaling cards there. Ready to write on. Then we've got this gorgeous big floral here. And all the bits of collage. Just so effective. So simple, but so effective. So that's that. And then over the page I've got the red one, and I love it. It's my favourite. I love it. Look at that journaling card. How nice is that? It's, you could say that's pink actually, and I did debate that when I did it, but it fits into this red page really nicely. So that goes there. That's a 49 in market floral, which are the 49 in market florals are great. And lots of sort of red and green collage. Lovely bow at the top, which looks real, it really does. And then here, this is the inner back page. It's got a nice notebook at the back. Great for sketching, for drawing, for writing, whatever. There's quite a few sheets in there. It's tied with a lilac trim, and it goes into that deep pocket. Then there's just a collage here, some florals, some stamps. This very pretty girl, and that is our Tim Holtz Kraft file folio, or file folder, whatever you choose to call it. And as I say, it's tied up with this beautiful chiffon. So that will be for sale, or should be for sale now actually, in my Etsy shop. So I hope whoever gets it really enjoys it. And there's room to add things to into the pockets if you really wanted to. So there we have it. Thanks very, very much for joining me. I hope you like it. I do. I really do. It's one of my favourite projects I've ever done. So I'll see you soon. Bye.